Hello, good morning, Donald Trump, sir. I am firstly saying for you, appreciate you, your and service and very sincerely because of you are very trying between Pakistan and Indian war eradicate in front of the world. But your suggestions, your friend Modiji rejected. Anyway, you should understand the Modiji attitude. Uh, However, Modiji's only destination have there because of anyway Pakistan occupied through war and then complete together India Hinduization. That only destination have their Narendra Modi ji. Because of that, Nathuram Vinayak Godse assassinated Mahatma Gandhiji's dreams. All the India, Pakistan together Hinduization. Not only that, Keshav Beliram Hetkevara and Golwarkal destination only India Hinduization. Muslim and Christians eradicate from in India. For that, implement that destination, implement trying our our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Narendra Modi ji is not a human being. Because of that, he is a chief minister as a Gujarat that time. Lot of conflict, communal conflict conducting in Gujarat, include the Godhra conflict. Lot of Muslim peoples, lot of suffering and agony, torturing, and then lot of Muslim peoples killed every single day. That this Narendra Modi ji was a very brutally and barbarians. Honestly, his notability as